Actually, maybe choke on the water.
His dick is
Even
confused.
I blushed a little bit. His what, baby?
His dick is confused right now.
Oh my god.
I think I understand. He had to stand up because he was feeling something.
I am sure somebody is gonna record these moans, clip them, and then just wow.
Senpai.
Okay, somebody please record that for me, please.
I can't.
I hate it here.
I love that this game is going long. We get to spend more time with Ivy.
You're right. Honestly, I'm okay with this. Why do we all have over 10, like almost over 10 cards in our decks?
Oh, never mind. That's kind of fine.